Mr. Arnold here. In this video, we will talk about how to solve word problems involving a percent. There are two methods you can use, possibly three or more actually. The main methods are translating these problems into equations, or you may use a proportion. For each problem, I will just use the translation method, but you can use any method you prefer. Let's look at question 1. In an informal poll, 225 out of 300 people like online shopping. What percent like online shopping? Whenever you are looking for a percent, you need to set up as a shortcut, your problem as a ratio. So we will put 225 over 300 and then divide. Now we need to add a decimal point and a 0 to start dividing. We need to figure out how much 300 can go into 2,250. Right, good guess. It will go 7 times roughly. Bring down another 0 and divide again. 300 can go into 1,500 5 times exactly. Now, since we are looking for the percent, we need to move our top decimal point 2 places to the right. Therefore, the percent of people polled who like online shopping is 75%. Again, you could use a proportion if you like proportions better. All right, let's look at the next example. Question 2. 55% of 3,000 pens are blue. How many pens are blue? For this problem, let's do a partial translation. If you use the translation method, you must change your percent into a decimal. So 55% will convert to 0.55. Your of is one of your major keywords. Replace of with the multiplication symbol. And then bring over the 3,000. So all we need to do here is multiply our numbers. So off to the side, we'll multiply here. Multiplying carefully since we have a lot of zeros. Once we put our decimal point in the correct spot, we get our final answer of 1,650 pens. Again, Very important. If you use this method of translation, you must convert your percentage into a decimal. We will continue our discussion of word problems in the next video.